Managing safety through a collaborative approach. The WHS laws requires workplaces to manage safety through a collaborative approach. This is by consulting, cooperating and coordinating on matters of risk management and implementing safety management strategies. Consultation processes. The consultation processes relates to safety meetings and briefings. Depending on the size of the business, there are various types of consultation processes that can be used. Importantly, the size of the business will depend on the type of consultation process in the workplace. Committees are for large workplaces, where the health and safety representatives (HSR) are nominated per sector or department. These, then represent the group of workers and bring forth safety issues for discussion, where they participate and contribute to improving workplace safety. Agreed arrangements are for smaller businesses, where WHS is an agenda item of the staff meeting. Other types of consultation can take place, such as toolbox talks, which is carried out with workers and contractors. Briefing sessions, which could be delivered as a one-to-one or a group of workers in relation to safety issues. These can be used daily to promote a workplace safety culture, as well as to facilitate health and safety discussions in the workplace. Risk management. Risk management is the process of managing or minimizing risk to ensure a safe workplace, which has the involvement of the committees and HSRs. Every business has inherent risk, which would be associated with the type of business, the type of equipment or machinery, chemicals in use, and work activity that is done in the business. The law requires every workplace to maintain a safe system of work and a safe work environment through regular safety inspections. Workplaces need to assess the level and severity of risk and implement safety processes to reduce the risk and prevent injury to workers. One of the ways is by identifying hazards and minimizing the risk. Beside the inherent risk, environmental risk may be created by the workers and processes, which need to be addressed too. There are 4 steps involved in managing workplace health and safety risks, according to a Safe Work Australia fact sheet, beginning with hazard and risk assessments, followed by implementing and reviewing control measures. While the best way to control a risk is to eliminate the hazard altogether, this may not always be reasonably practicable, in which case risks should be minimized as much as possible using the following steps. Step 1. Identify hazards. Identify what could cause harm. Step 2. Assess risks. Understand what harm could be caused, the likelihood and how serious it could be, and whether any existing control measures are effective. Step 3. Control risks. Implement the most effective control measures that are reasonably practicable in the circumstances, using the hierarchy of controls. Step 4. Review control measures, to ensure they are working effectively. The hierarchy of controls. When managing hazards, it is important to use the hierarchy of controls to remove or minimize the risk. The Model Code of Practice by Safe Work Australia, How to Manage Work Health and Safety Risks, states that workplace health and safety (WHS) regulations require duty holders to work through the hierarchy of controls when managing risks. In summary, consultation is the process of communicating and managing safety risks in a forum environment or meeting. The meeting will have specific workers and representatives, and the related topics and subject matter on workplace safety will be discussed and actioned. This process helps business meet their duties under the WHS Act 2011, which places an obligation on the PCBUs to do what is reasonable and practicable to protect the health and safety in the workplace, and that workers must not cause harm to themselves and others. Thank you for listening. We are here to help. Contact us at info@focal.com. Visit us on https://www.focal.com.